शुक्रिया मित्तल जी। जैसा कि आज हमने सुना कि डिजिटाइजेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी के बढ़ते प्रभाव से भारत और यहाँ के बड़े और छोटे बिजनेसेस और उद्यमी अपनी असीमित क्षमताओं का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अमेज़ॉन संभव इनोवेशन के इस जज्बे को और उन युवाओं की दृढ़ता को सलाम करता है और इन्हें आगे बढ़ने, इन्हें प्रोत्साहित करने की कोशिश में जुटा है। अमेज़ॉन संभव अवार्ड इसी का प्रतीक है। Given that about 60 million small businesses employ over 11 crore people, deliver over 45% of the country's industrial output by value, and produce more than 40% of the country's total exports, small businesses are a key part of India's growth engine. The Amazon Sambhav Awards celebrate the passion and spirit of those brilliant men and women who have unlocked the power of infinite possibilities, leveraging the power of technology. Through these awards, Amazon seeks to recognize the efforts of those who have worked towards empowering small businesses and thereby contributed towards building a self-reliant India. We received over 1,200 nominations across the 11 awards, and selecting these winners was no small task. For this, we had some of the best and most qualified experts to help us with this process. Hence, on behalf of Amazon, I would like to specially thank the eminent jury members of the Amazon Sambhav Awards. Ms. Vinita Hariharan is a leading public policy exponent with excellent skills in the public sphere, anchoring programs for all external aid, World Bank, ADB, KFW, AIIB, etc. She is also a member on several strategic committees with the Government of India. Mr. Sudhir Nair has 27 years of extensive experience in business management, sales, partner management, and leadership in the technology industry. Prior to joining Cisco, Sudhir worked with Microsoft, where he led sales and marketing for the SMB segment in India and was responsible for transforming India's largest partner ecosystem to enable the digital transformation of Indian businesses. Mr. Vinay Gupta is the Global Finance Director for Deutsche Bank in India with more than 2 decades of experience in investment banking, regulatory and compliance, management information systems, business process improvement, and offshoring. Mr. Anup Jain leads the FMCG and retail investments at Orios and has over 20 years of experience of building brands across countries and categories in Procter & Gamble, Yum Brands, India.com, and Whirlpool. He has been an angel investor in areas of agri-tech, B2B tech, HR tech, and digital media. Over 2 decades of continuous learning experience from grassroots to boardrooms, Mr. N.S.N. Murthy is currently leading the Smart City practice nationally, focusing on corporates, SMBs, PSUs, governments, and IFIs solutions covering all components of Smart City. Some of these are governance, sanitation, water, Smart Cities framework, ICT integrated SC frameworks, urban transportation, urban planning, GIS, etc. A heartfelt thank you to all our jury members for investing their time and energy. So, without further ado, I would now like to call upon Mr. Pranav Bhasin, Director, Selling Partner Experience, Amazon India, to give away the first set of awards.
Thank you, Nilesh. And hello, everyone. Before we start the award ceremony, I wanted to set some context. Last year, at the first edition of Amazon Sambhav, we launched these Sambhav Awards to celebrate and recognize businesses and individuals who are pioneers and change makers in their respective fields. Our simple intention and goal was to power the ambition of lakhs of Indian small businesses by recognizing the ones who are making real impact. From the last year winners, it was a pleasure to see those businesses thrive and take wins. We hope that their story that we brought out through the awards was able to inspire many others. Through Sambhav 2021 awards, we intend to widen the scope of the awards and recognize individuals and small businesses across categories like SME digitization, startup enablement, innovation, skilling, job creation, and exports, the key foundations of building a self-reliant India. But before I get started, I wanted to invite a special guest to grace this occasion. It's my honor to invite Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairperson, Bharti Enterprises.
Thank you, Pranav. I'm delighted to be here today to recognize the winners of Amazon Sambhav.
Thank you for joining us today, Mr. Mittal. And now, without further ado, let's start with the first set of awards. Our first award for today is the Global SMB of the Year Award. The award honors small businesses who have expanded their business across the globe and have also contributed to the Indian economy by driving exports. And I'm thrilled to announce that the Global SMB of the Year Award goes to Skillmatics. Skillmatics is a new age brand that develops innovative learning resources and educational games, helping children between ages of 3 to 12 years build core skills through systematic play. The company currently has two product verticals, namely Write and Wipe learning resources and skill building educational games. Skillmatics is a 100% made in India brand and is determined to build a truly global brand for India, for the world. I would like to invite Dhwanil Seth to share a few words with us.
Hi, I'm Dhwanil and I'm the founder of Skillmatics. Skillmatics is a made in India brand that develops innovative educational games and toys that help children build core skills through the joy of play. I want to thank Amazon for this incredible honor of being awarded the Global SMB of the Year. When we started this business, we were a small startup with a very big dream of building a global brand for the world from India. And I want to thank Amazon for building the incredible global selling program and this incredible platform that has enabled us to take Skillmatics to the world. Lastly, I want to thank each and every one of my teammates and colleagues at Skillmatics. This award is recognition for the incredible dedication, hard work, and tremendous skill that each and every one of you have. Thank you for making Skillmatics an incredible success. Thank you all.
Thanks, Dhwanil, and congratulations once again. Our next award category is Digitally Enabled Local Shop of the Year. This award recognizes offline businesses who have successfully digitized their operations and have been serving more customers in their local area through the power of technology. During the last 1 year, when the pandemic has made people stay at home, it has been these local shops who have had to innovate the most to ensure that they cater to these customers. It is with great pleasure that I announce the winner to be Dye Techno Buildcon and Trade Private Limited. Starting as a purely offline venture, Dye Techno Buildcon and Trade joined the Amazon marketplace to sell groceries online. Its flagship products are its range of 54 masalas. The company leveraged Amazon tools to communicate with customers, customize their orders, and improve customer service. During the early days of COVID-19 pandemic, when most shipping services were disrupted, Dye Techno continued delivering its products on Amazon by shipping its products through self-ship service. Dye Techno grew its business almost 3 times in 2020 to 2021 versus the previous year 2018 to 2019. I would like to invite Syed Natiq Ibrahim to share a few words with us.
Hi, I am Syed Natiq Ibrahim, Head of Online Sales and Marketing, Dye Techno Buildcon and Trade Private Limited. I take pleasure to share my views on this Amazon Sambhav Award ceremony. It is a great honor to receive Amazon Digitally Enabled Local Shop of the Year Award. 4 years of hard work and dedicated efforts to be the best choice of customers has paid off. Wow, it's a great news. The best positive rating by our satisfied customers is a huge recognition for us. Thank you, Amazon. We are fully committed to bring best quality products at best prices and give the best possible services. We have a long way to go and get many more awards year after year. Thank you, Amazon, once again. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Team Ditechno. The next 2 awards are very close to my heart. The first one honors individuals or businesses that have contributed to the success of traditional handloom and handicraft industry and have helped Indian artisans earn livelihoods. And the winner in this category is Respect Origins. Respect Origins, a platform by PrimaSource, brings authentic, natural, rural crafts, handicrafts, and original artwork to global consumers from homes of Indian artisans. They have set up shops for over 500 artisans with thousands more in their ecosystem and enabled them to sell about 80 lakhs worth of products in the last year. I would like to invite Aparna Challu to share a few words with us.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Aparna Challu, founder of Respect Origins. I work with an extremely passionate, dedicated team to bring rural artisans into the global fold. We offer design and training inputs to enable them sell their products globally. The rural artisan, the rural community has far too long been denied inclusivity in the phenomenal globalization story, in the internet revolution, in the headways that technologies have made. And it is our endeavor, it is my dream to work towards greater rural inclusivity for a more sustainable future. I am very delighted, I'm ecstatic, I'm extremely humbled to have been recognized for this Handicrafts Person of the Year Award by Amazon Sambhav Summit 2021. I feel very grateful, myself and my team, for being here tonight. Thank you very much indeed for this. It is my hope that we will collectively engage and bring to you from our origins products that are authentic, products that are handcrafted, and products that are sold directly and bought directly, sold by rural artisans, rural providers, makers, and bought directly by global consumers. We believe consumers rule, consumers define businesses, and consumers should retain choice at all times. It is our commitment to offer this choice to global consumers via a vast array, a vast range of gorgeous handcrafted products directly from artisans. Once again, thank you for this recognition and hope you all have a wonderful evening. Thanks very much.
Congratulations, Respect Origins. This next award recognizes the most promising and successful handicraft and handloom entrepreneurs or small businesses. The award focuses on identifying businesses who are promoting and bringing authentic products from Indian artisans to customers across the globe. I'm thrilled to announce that the Karigar SMB of the Year award goes to Kopai Par. Kopai Par celebrates indigenous Indian handicraft, which is sustainable, environment friendly, and crafted by gifted artisans. It aims to bridge the gap between Karigars and urban India by providing a modern urban aesthetic to traditional craft design and processes. 10% of Karigars employed with Kopai Par have started their own smaller enterprises, thus providing employment opportunities to their communities. The brand continues to grow at a steady pace and has witnessed a year-over-year growth of 51% in 2020. Congratulations, Kopaipar. I would like to invite Neha Rungta to share a few words with us.
Our family of artisans at Kopaipar would like to thank Amazon from the bottom of their hearts for this recognition and encouragement. India has one of the richest craft traditions in the world, but this requires our active participation and support to not just survive, but thrive. We at Kopaipar are committed to bring about innovations in design and aesthetics to keep the crafts relevant and to bridge the gap between the rural artisan and the urban consumer. We want to thank Amazon for being an integral and active part of our journey. This award encourages us to try harder and do better. It reaffirms our belief that there is no action too small and that smaller ripples are only the beginnings of larger waves. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Neha, and congratulations once again. And now I would like to invite Ms. Meera Narayanan, Director Regional Operations Selling Partner Support, Amazon India, to give away the next set of awards. Thank you very much, and over to you, Meera.
Thank you, Pranav. Hi, everyone. It's my absolute pleasure and honor to be here and present the next set of Amazon Sambhav Awards. The first one is the Job Creator of the Year Award, and this award honors small businesses who have significantly contributed to job creation for different cohorts. It shines a spotlight on organizations that have created employment opportunities for blue and white collar roles in India in the past year. Our winner is on a mission to create a healthier world with organic farming and plant-focused lifestyles. The company offers high-quality, organic, non-GMO, vegan, nutrient-dense food ingredients from all over the world across various categories to consumers. They've created job opportunities for farmers and source directly from them. The company practices ethical farming techniques and works on fair trade pricing with its vendors. Their sourcing team comprises of a network of about 1,000 farmers. Their manufacturing unit, which is located in Raigad, has sourced and created rural job opportunities, especially for women. And the award for Job Creator of the Year goes to Nature Vibe Botanicals. I'd like to invite Rishabh Chokhani to share a few words with us, please.
Hello, I'm Rishabh Chokhani, founder and CEO of Nature Vibe Botanicals. I'm humbled and grateful to be receiving the Job Creator of the Year award by Amazon this year. When we started off, we knew we had a wonderful business idea, but what made it powerful and successful is a strong and passionate team. In 2017, Nature Vibe started with a small team of about 3 to 4 people, and now we are actually more than 200 employees working together in and around our manufacturing facility in Raigad, Maharashtra, that works with a vision of providing best quality organic products to the world. We have also grown our farmer network to more than 1,500 farmer partners that contribute immensely into our business. I would once again like to thank Amazon for recognizing our efforts and providing this wonderful platform. Thank you.
Congratulations, Team Nature Vibe Botanicals. Next up, we have the Innovator of the Year Award. The Innovator of the Year Award recognizes the most innovative small business products or services. It recognizes homegrown SMBs who have created the most innovative physical product and technology solutions to make a real difference. And the award goes to NWD Co Software Solutions. Founded in 2001, the company develops unique software solutions that caters to customer-specific requirements. NWD Co helped the hospitality industry provide a safer guest experience by developing Coveso, a range of contactless technologies that ensured guests received a safer experience when they stayed in or dined at a hotel. Their solutions have been showcased by the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai, the Leela Group and the Radisson Group in India, among other prominent members of the hospitality industry. I'd like to invite Nishir Govindas to share a few words with us.
Good day. I am Nishal Gordhandas from NWDCO Software Solutions LLP, where we technovate your business with innovative technology. As a small business, it is extremely important to technovate, build solutions which help organizations optimize their resources and automate their processes. We aim to take that emotion to new heights by transforming and disrupting the digital landscape globally. Well, Amazon Sambhav Awards 2021 is a prestigious award, and being recognized as the Innovator of the Year is a great honor for all of us at NWDCO. We at NWDCO share the emotion of creating a self-reliant and digitized India, which is driven by passionate businesses. This award will enhance our spirit of wanting to create change and provide best-in-class consulting and optimal technology to our customers.
Thank you, Nishi, and big congratulations to you and your entire team. The third award in this segment is the Emerging Brand of the Year Award. This award recognizes brands that have shown tremendous growth potential, customer acceptance, and success over the last 1 year. The Emerging Brand of the Year Award goes to BoldFit. From product supply and pharmacy management to supply chain and inventory management, BoldFit plays a vital role in connecting the world of medical products to the point of care. BoldFit was started in 2019 and in a matter of just 2 years have executed over 4 lakh orders and is amongst the dominant names in the category. Nearly 50% of their orders come from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. I'd like to invite Pallav Bihani to share a few words with us.
Hi, everybody. This is Pallav Bihani, founder of BoldFit. I sincerely thank Amazon for recognizing BoldFit for this prestigious award. We have always focused on delivering quality fitness and healthcare products, and nothing gives us more satisfaction than touching the lives of people with our products and making India a fitter and better country. Years of hard work and effort from our team has led to this, and we cannot thank them enough. Amazon has made building brands very democratic, and today it is a platform where even homegrown startups like ours get the same access and visibility like some of the mega brands. Today, as we speak, every 40 seconds, one BoldFit product is delivered in some corner of the country. Getting such a wide reach and growing exponentially would have been absolutely unimaginable even as early as 5 years back. We thank Amazon for giving us this platform, and we are extremely honored to receive the Emerging Brand of the Year award, and we promise to deliver much better in 2021. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, BoldFit. The last and final award in this segment is the Sustainable SMB of the Year award. This award honors small businesses with the most impactful contribution to sustainability. It recognizes homegrown SMBs that have implemented effective sustainable solutions and reduced their carbon footprint in the environment. And the award goes to Daily Dump. In 2006, Daily Dump created India's first home composter called the Khamba. 15 years later, its home composting solutions are used in 75,441 Indian households, keeping more than 56,000 kgs of waste out of landfills daily. Its larger composting systems have been evolved over time and currently in use in over 600 plus communities, hotels, and institutions across the country. Today, there are 70 Daily Dump outlets in 15 cities across the country and in the UAE and USA. Daily Dump also has a range of low-waste products and services, a first-of-its-kind experience center to understand its choices and sustainability, and a range of interventions in the educational space. I'd like to invite Poonam Bir Kasturi to share a few words with us.
Hi, my name is Poonam Bir Kasturi. I run this company called Daily Dump out of Bangalore. 15 years ago, we designed India's first home composter. We're a design-led brand that believes that everybody can participate in cleaning up India. Everybody's dustbin is 60% organic. So with our products, you can keep this organic waste inside your homes, compost it, and grow food. My team and I are really happy and honored to get the Sustainable SMB of the Year award from Amazon. We sell our products on Amazon, and this way we reach a lot more people all across the country. Today, our customers, around 70,000 families, keep 60,000 kilos of organic waste out of landfill daily with no cost to government. And I look forward to continuing our wonderful partnership with Amazon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Poonam. The work that you and your team are doing is truly commendable. With that, we end this segment of the awards. And to present the final set of awards, I'd like to invite Manish Tiwari, Vice President, Amazon India. Congratulations once again to all the winners, and over to you, Manish.
Thank you so much, Pranav and Meera. It's an absolute pleasure to be here to present the final 3 Amazon Sambhav Awards. These awards represent the innovativeness, the resourcefulness, and the ambition of Indian small businesses. And by recognizing them, we are hoping to encourage other small businesses across the country to keep innovating, experimenting, and trying to unlock new frontiers. So without further ado, let me get started with the next category. The next category is the Small Business of the Year Award. This award is designed to recognize a homegrown digital SMB who has displayed strong growth drivers over the last 1 year. Through this award, we hope to recognize a SMB who has unlocked a niche by understanding their customers, their market, and has grown by showing resourcefulness. I am thrilled to announce that the Small Business of the Year Award goes to Saint Botanica. Saint Botanica works in the beauty and skincare space. It embraces research and science, bringing innovative ideas, products, and services to advance the health and well-being of people. Growing even as they remain bootstrapped, they have scaled rapidly to become a 50 crore brand and achieve a 17% EBITDA over the last 1 year. Leveraging digital technology, they fulfill over 100,000 orders every month today. Congratulations, Saint Botanica. I would now like to invite Sahil Mehta from Saint Botanica to share a few words with us.
So I'm Sahil Mehta, the founder of Emrose Overseas Lifestyle Private Limited. Our company is sincerely dedicated to bringing innovative ideas to enhance the appearance of people. Well, I understand the daily challenges in staying naturally gorgeous while keeping up with the ever-evolving concepts in the beauty sphere. And that is what it does not let me lose sight of my goals. We all know nothing beats the power of science when combined with nature. And I believe people by now have understood the importance of going the all-natural route for skin and hair care. And that is why a leading brand, Saint Botanica, always focuses on naturally derived solutions with science-backed ingredients. Well, today I'm grateful and honored to be receiving the prestigious Amazon Sambhav 2021 award. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the business that is recognized as Business of the Year for our exceptional performance, and looking forward to excel and grow while raising the existing standards. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sahil, and congratulations to the entire team at Saint Botanica. The second award in this series is the Women Entrepreneur of the Year Award. This award recognizes and celebrates women leaders who are driving a positive change in the country through their innovative and clutter-breaking ideas. The award recognizes entrepreneurs who are going beyond empowerment and are also successfully bridging the gender gap in their workforce to create an inclusive work culture. I am thrilled to announce that the Women Entrepreneur of the Year Award goes to Supriya Paul from Josh Talks. Josh Talks is the vernacular TED Talk of India, an impact media platform which works on mobilizing the youth for gender equality, sustainability, and promoting businesses, among others. In 2019, they executed a campaign titled Know Your Rights for ITC Vivel to empower women with knowledge of the legal rights through 800 plus workshops in schools and colleges across 10 states in India, spreading awareness about all legal rights concerning women. Congratulations, Josh Talks. It gives me immense pleasure to invite Supriya Paul to accept the award.
Hi, my name is Supriya Paul. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Josh Talks, an organization that inspires, informs, and upskills people from Tier 2, Tier 3, and Tier 4 cities in India. Over the last 6 years, we've reached out to over 1 billion people across the globe and have 70 million people who consume our content every month. What drives me or keeps me going is the sheer passion and the outcome that we see in the users' lives, and how we're able to actually bring about change in an audience set that is otherwise ignored. I'm super humbled and excited to be a part of the event today and to receive this award in the category of Women Entrepreneur of the Year. The last 12 months have been extremely difficult for businesses all across India. We have been forced to move from a B2B advertising-led model to a completely B2C product now with our own e-learning app. Recognition of this kind through Amazon reinforces the faith in us to keep working for our end users, and it validates everything that we stand for. Thank you so much for having me be a part of this.
Thank you so much, Supriya. And with that, we come to the final award of the day, the Sambhav Award. The Sambhav Award honors individuals or small businesses that have contributed to the areas of upskilling or financial inclusion or SMB digitization through product or process innovation. We looked at hundreds of nominations across categories to arrive at the winner. And I'm super excited to announce Health Set Go as the winner of the 2021 Sambhav Award. Health Set Go is a school health organization that aims to ensure every child in India grows up healthy. Through its benchmark-setting health program called CARE, Health Set Go has driven positive health outcomes for over 250,000 plus students. And it aims to reach 1 million children by 2023. Its comprehensive approach to health has made it a loved organization with schools across the country. And it is setting the standards of how healthcare can be successfully integrated with education. I would now like to invite Ms. Priya Prakash from Health Set Go to share a few words with us.
Hello, my name is Priya Prakash, and I am the founder and CEO of Health Set Go. It is a huge honor to receive the Amazon Sambhav Award. From me and from my entire team at Health Set Go, I would really like to thank Amazon for facilitating us with this amazing award. Health Set Go has been working for the last 5 years in the field of children's health and well-being. We have worked with over 200 schools across the country with over 2.5 lakh students and parents, and we are so happy to be continuing this work to reach a goal of 1 million students by 2023. These kinds of awards and this platform has truly motivated and inspired us to achieve this goal and to achieve further the health and well-being of our country. Thank you to Amazon once again, and I hope that awards like these also inspire other entrepreneurs to focus on things that make our country a better place. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Priya, and congratulations to you and to the entire team of Health Set Go. I would now like to invite Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairperson of Bharti Enterprises, to address the winners and share his thoughts on what these awards represent and mean for him.
Thank you, Manish. This is a very important event in anybody's life, but especially those who are making a breakthrough in their businesses at this early stage of their life. Having been there, I know the difficulties, pain, and the effort and sweat it takes to break through and get recognized early in your career, early in your life. But you must be very proud. You and your team members should feel that you have really been recognized for all the great efforts that you have done. I am acutely aware that this recognition doesn't come easy. Amazon has very high standards of judging and recognizing young entrepreneurs. So you should really feel very proud and celebrate this moment. But what does this mean for you and your businesses? Every now and then, a business needs a breakthrough, needs the recognition on the basis of which it builds for its next journey. I think this is a moment in time for you to reflect back and see all the good things that you have done, which brought you to this recognition today. Importantly, are there areas that could have been done better for you to have accelerated even more? And that's going to be part of your next journey. savor this award, go for bigger achievements in life, step on the pedal a little bit from now on, because you have momentum, you have wind in your sails. Energize your teams, inspire those around you, and get to the next level. For those who could not make it to today's award, my own message to them would be, you would have still done very well. You should not feel that you did not get the due recognition. Only a handful are chosen. Hopefully next year, it'll be your turn. And who knows that some of you may even actually make bigger strides in the coming year than many others who may have been recognized today. But today's a day to celebrate. Today's a day to recognize the good work that has been done. And I would like to congratulate Amazon for having started this program of recognizing the key partners that it has on its network. And I have no doubt that this will go a long way in stabilizing and growing your businesses. So congratulations once again, and my very best to each one of you today who have won awards in different categories.
While we had 11 different winners today, the one thing they all have in common is the passion and the ambition to build a sustainable business and make a difference to their communities and to our country. And on behalf of Amazon India, I congratulate each and every one of these winners. Now enjoy the rest of the summit, and congratulations once again.